Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Ucharts and TC2000, two prominent charting platforms. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding the tools at your disposal is crucial. So let's explore what each platform offers, their strengths, weaknesses, and which might be the best fit for you. Let's find out. Starting with Ucharts, it's a user-friendly, web-based charting tool designed to simplify market analysis. The platform offers real-time data for major indices like the S&P 500, ensuring you have up-to-date information at your fingertips. Its intuitive interface is optimized for both desktop and mobile devices, allowing for seamless transitions between devices. One of Uchart's standout features is its cloud-based system, which ensures that any updates or changes you make are instantly saved and accessible across all your devices. On the other hand, TC2000 is a comprehensive charting and trading platform that's been a staple in the trading community for over 25 years. It's renowned for its dynamic charting capabilities, real-time scanning, and integrated trading features. TC2000 is available on multiple platforms including web, Windows, Mac, and mobile, ensuring flexibility for users. The platform combines charting, stock and option screening, and trading features in an easy-to-use, polished interface. Now let us talk about the main features of each. We start with Ucharts. Real-time index data. It offers up to the minute tracking of major indices like the S&P 500. This is crucial for traders who follow market sentiment or broader economic indicators. Interactive charts. Ucharts supports multiple chart types such as candlestick, bar, and line charts. You can also zoom, scroll, and customize views quickly, all with smooth transitions. Custom indicators. You're able to overlay basic indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and RSI. While it doesn't support complex scripting like some competitors, it's perfect for traders who prefer standard, clean visuals. Cloud-based saving. Any layout or chart you customize gets automatically saved to your account. So when you switch from your laptop to your phone, everything's still right there. No reloading or syncing required. Dashboard simplicity. The dashboard is minimal and distraction-free. For traders who get overwhelmed by too many tools or windows, this setup can help you keep focused on what matters, which is the price action. How about TC2000? Dynamic charting engine. The charting on TC2000 is fluid and powerful. You get features like infinite zooming, multi-time frame analysis, drawing tools, price alerts, and real-time plotting. Easy scan screener. This is a game changer. TC2000's proprietary screener allows you to filter stocks based on virtually any condition: price, volume, indicators, fundamentals, and even custom formulas. Custom conditions wizard. You don't need to know any coding to build custom technical indicators. Just use the visual wizard to stack conditions and apply it to your watch list or alerts. Built-in options trading tools. You can model covered calls, iron condors, and other strategies and actually see your break-even zones visually on the charts. Alerts and notifications. You can set up real-time alerts based on price movement, volume spikes, technical conditions, or your own custom formulas. Integrated trading. You can place trades directly from the charts if you're using their affiliated brokerage, which is the TC2000 brokerage. Notes taken. Unlike most charting tools, TC2000 lets you create a journal entry tied to a specific stock or setup. It is perfect for tracking your reasoning behind trades, analyzing patterns, and documenting lessons learned. Now let us talk about the pricing. Ucharts doesn't have any visible pricing on their website, but it claims that you can save 2 months with their annual plan. And that can only be gotten when you create an account and download the app. How about TC2000? They have a silver plan, a gold plan, and a platinum plan. The silver plan currently goes for $8.32 per month, the gold plan $24.99 per month, and the platinum plan for $49.99 per month. It's obvious that the gold and platinum plans have multiple options to benefit from. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of each. First, the pros. Ucharts. User-friendly interface suitable for beginners. Real-time data for major indices. Cloud-based system for seamless device transitions. And for TC2000, comprehensive charting and trading features. Advanced scanning tools like Easy Scan. Integrated trading capabilities. How about the cons? For Ucharts, limited advanced features compared to other platforms. Specific pricing details are not readily available. And for TC2000, additional costs for real-time data feeds. It might be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features. So which is the best charting platform? The choice between Ucharts and TC2000 largely depends on your trading needs and experience level. If you're a beginner seeking a straightforward, easy-to-use platform with real-time data, Ucharts might be the ideal choice for you. Its simplicity and cloud-based system make it accessible and convenient. However, if you're an active trader looking for a comprehensive tool with advanced charting, scanning, and trading features, TC2000 stands out. Its robust functionalities cater to those who require in-depth analysis and integrated trading capabilities. Ultimately though, both platforms offer unique strengths. Assess your trading requirements, your experience level, and budgets to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore TradingView, MetaStock, and TrendSpider. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.